WAVD. CUSN.
All right, good morning, everybody. Hopefully you all can hear me this morning. Let me tell you what's going on here. So we already had a couple trades. Right now I'm in the mini NASDAQ. We're short the mini NASDAQ, looking for target down here. We already had a short on the mini Russell, in and out of that. Now we're holding short on the mini NASDAQ. I'm looking for 159.82 and a half target. I have a couple stocks on ABVC and ANGH, and we'll just keep an eye on that. If I can just hold in here before the opening bell, we'll see if we can get a little pop on that. Otherwise, I'm going to get out of these two. Small Dow is down 76. Morning, Glenn. Can you hear me all right this morning, sir? Make sure everything is working. Been having some difficulty. I've got too much running. I've got 3 machines at the same time. And I'm trying to trade and manage that, so I don't always do the best on that. All right, COSM. Popping up on radar. Nah, not liking that one. Okay, ABVC. I'm gonna have to be patient on ABVC. I still have, it's a little bit longer term projection. I'm just gonna have to watch it here. May have to sweat this one out. Let's watch. Let's see what else we have. ANGH. Not a big fan now of ANGH. Take a little bit closer look at this. I'm getting out of ANGH. Don't like the looks of it. All right, no go on ANGH. We may come back and revisit that. Right, it looks like it wants to pull back even further. All right, SHOT. Possible entry up here at 510. Let me see if that's still the case. No, that is no longer going to be the case, so no go on that. All right, just puts me in ABVC. Alright. Okay, you can now because I had the mic off. We're good now. You should be able to hear me. So you can talk on this channel. They can't hear us on the other channel. Come on, ABVC. I still have some setups in play longer term, so I'm going to hold that. I didn't like what I was seeing on ANGH, so if I see an opportunity, I may jump back into it, but we are below VWAP. There's nothing showing up. What is this NAOV? We've seen that one before. Pretty erratic. You do have some HF1 set up on NAOV. What is NAOV? NAOV Nano Vibratronics. Look at NAOV. See what you think about it, Kim. NAOV. I like it. Let's see what the spread is on NAOV. 2-cent spread. Man, there's just no volume there, though. Goodness gracious. It's pretty choppy, too. Yeah. I like the charts on NAOV, just no volume. No volume. Nothing.
GASS.
All right, folks, pretty quiet. Just wait and see what this ABVC will do after the opening. We're short. On the mini NASDAQ, let's see if we can get down to 159.82 and a half. Not going on, not seeing much on our scanners this morning either. Not a whole lot. Oh, it's sideways. Alright, so about 10 minutes out before the opening bell. Looks like we're going to get a lower opening. And let's see, right now, small Dow is down 51. Yeah, I'll check on NVDA for you. No worries. NVDA. Good stock, a little pricey for me. That's gonna, that obviously would be one to buy and hold, right? NVDA. All right, let's see. Have earnings coming out today, right? After the market. That would have been a nice one to buy last year or so, right? Right now, NVDA is poised to go higher. I can give you some closer targets. I can see it coming up to, well, it's already, yeah, 57. It's already gone through. It's moving. I'm going to have to go a little bit further on this and see what I can come up with. Well, when I go out, it's interesting. When I go out further, it does look like we could work, actually could work down a little bit more on the downside. So, but shorter term, it looks like we're going to have a pop up. That's kind of what I see. I don't think I would be buying and holding right now. I'm going to go out even further in time. Let me see what I have. We're looking at NVDA. All right. Could have a nice, if we do come up to 0234, 0235, could be a nice little run. So shorter term, it looks like you could play it on the upside right now. And that can change. I mean, the longer term could come in and show some buying opportunities, but I'd probably play it more on the short-term buy side. And that's what I see, but that's just my opinion. Definitely not a recommendation. I don't give recommendations. I just purpose here is just kind of demonstrate the approach that I've been using for the last 40 years. It's my own unique, have my own unique patterns. And I like to trade, love the indices, always been a big fan of trading the indices. We'll do some metals, we'll do some energies, do some stocks now. Doesn't matter what I trade, the patterns are all the same. They work in everything. So I'm holding short on the mini NASDAQ. Also I have ABVC on. Got out of my ANGH. I really didn't like it. I'm going to look at that one more time here. Yeah, I still don't like ANGH. Still have a buy on ABVC.
WAVD.
Yeah, an option straddle. Yeah, but I'm sure a lot of people will play that, right? A lot of people probably play that game. Can you get any good premium on it, though? On those options, I don't know. Okay, so we're getting ready now to get ready to move over to Discord. So for the day, I was short the mini Russell, now we're short the mini NASDAQ. Was in ANGH, didn't like it, got out. Coming into the opening on ABVC, I don't have a whole lot of stocks on my radar this morning to trade. That can change after the opening.
WAVD.
Glenn, thank you so much for what you do. If you like further information on my approach, and I also have a Black Friday special going on. Get ready to post it, guys. This is going to be the best deal all year, I promise you. You definitely want to take a look at it. I'll teach you my method, the same one that I've used. It's proprietary. I've been using it for 40 years. It works. Anybody that's used it have, once they understand my method, they don't go back to anything else. I do promise you that. That's an honest statement. Because it works, and it's a very simplistic way of trading, but the patterns are really strong. So check me out, innovativetradingstrategies.com and or my YouTube channel. Everybody have a good day. Glenn, once again, thank you so much, sir. And I'm getting ready for the opening bell.